case in the corridors of justice? And equally, do you foresee an instance where you'll appeal all the way to the Supreme Court?
I don't know. My lawyers will deal with it.
Okay.
By the way, I'm reading this to both about the impeachment and those matters in court.
Is there any progress on that case?
Yeah, we did file an appeal in the Court of Appeal.
Yeah.
Because we were not satisfied with the bench, the three-judge bench that was constituted by the Deputy Chief Justice, because the Constitution says she doesn't have such powers. But the judges ruled that they should go ahead, and we did appeal to the Court of Appeal. Today the matter was in court, and the Court of Appeal listened to our arguments and gave an order staying the proceedings before the High Court until the matter is heard. The matter is determined. Okay. So our lawyers are dealing with that matter. That's our lawyers. I am myself on another assignment, a very important assignment of crafting a new political strategy and joining the other people of Kenya to work out a mechanism of how to get this country back on track, how to make sure that we bring in a new government that will observe the rule of law, a government that will not abduct and kill our children, a government that will not make corruption the official government policy, a government that will listen to the people and that will not just be doing things with impunity. That, to me, is my focus. Whether I am cleared of the impeachment tag or not, it's neither here nor there.
So what do you tell those people who smell a rat in your defense of Chief Justice Martha Koome, that perhaps you're foreseeing such a scenario where the Supreme Court, this very same judges, might be dispensing of your case?
I don't think Martha Koome sat in the High Court where I don't think I got justice. She didn't sit there. Okay. It's other judges who sat there. And I don't know whether the matter will ever get to the Supreme Court or not. But I've told you that matter to be is a very small matter. Okay. And it does not inform my thinking. All right. And I am just concerned about this country, that it is irresponsible to allow the president to disbar the Supreme Court. It's not good for the country. It will create a constitutional crisis. Again, it will make Kenyans lose faith in the entire electoral process. Because if the president succeeds and disbards the Supreme Court and installs his own judges in the Supreme Court, then this country is going down to the dogs. All right. The level of impunity will be in acceptable levels, and the president will have succeeded to capture the entire Kenyan state. He has captured the parliament as it is. He has captured the opposition. Now, if he captures the judiciary, we are done.
All right. Yeah. Let's shift focus to other matters, because just today,